everyone, strawberry French rolls are perfect for breakfast. These rolls are sure to delight your taste buds. Take bread slices. I'm using milk white bread. Cut off the sides. We only need the center part of the bread. For this recipe, I am using 6 slices of bread. All the slices are evenly cut. Now, with the help of the rolling pin, flatten the bread slices like this. See, the bread is nicely flattened. Do it with all the bread slices and keep it aside. Take washed and clean strawberries and cut the strawberries into small dices. Strawberries are chopped. Keep them aside. In a bowl, add cheese cream. If you don't have cheese cream, you can use fresh cream or whipped cream. Add sugar in it. Mix and make a smooth paste out of it. Cheese cream filling is soft and ready. Now, take a piping bag and arrange it on a glass. Fill the cheese cream filling inside it. Fold the piping bag and push the cream filling downwards. Cut it from down with the help of scissors. Take a bread slices, apply the cheese cream filling on it. Now, add chopped strawberries like this. Roll the bread with the filling and strawberries inside. Strawberry French rolls are ready to be cooked. Take egg in a bowl. Add sugar in it. Now add milk. Add vanilla essence for more flavor. Whisk the mix. Melt butter on pan. Dip the rolls in it for 10 seconds. Place the rolls on hot pan. Cook from all the sides till it turns golden brown. They taste best when served warm and cooked to golden perfection. Finish it with cheese cream filling. Garnish with chopped strawberries. These rolls are sure to be a hit with anyone who tries them. Thank you for watching this recipe. Hope you enjoyed it.